friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Room. In today's lesson we are going to learn how to build a simple body mass index program using C++ as my programming language and Visual Studio 2019 as my code editor. So to create a new project in Visual Studio, you have to click on File, go to New and select Project. As you can see, this is a create new project. So right now I don't have any project yet. I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to select the language I'm going to use, which is C++. I'm also going to select the platforms that I'm going to use because I'm using Windows 10, so I have to choose Windows. And also the application type, I'm going to select the console. So just choose this console app. As you can see, it's Windows, C++, and console. So click on this next. This is where you can configure your new project. So you have to provide a name for your project, and this is, for clarity, let me call it body mass index. I also have to provide a location for my project where I'm going to save all my files. So click on this browse button. So navigate to where you can save your project. Let me choose BS project, console project. So let me create a folder. Let me call it body mass index. So as you can see, body mass index folder. So click on this, create. What's wrong? What is happening? What's the issue? Let me also. So let me create a new folder called body mass index. Select the folder, click on create. It's creating the project. Yes. So as you can see, this is where we are going to write all our codes. Let's delete this line of code comment. So this is IO stream header, which is input stream and output stream header, which is very important header, so you need to include it in your project. So I'm going to call the library using namespace std, and this is my main function, which is int main. This is where the program is going to be executed. So for now I don't need this line of code, I need to delete it. So as I told you before, the name of our project is body mass index, and the body mass index is nothing but it's just a value which is derived from the mass or weight and the height of a person. The BMI is defined as the body mass divided by the square of the body height, and is expressed in units of kilogram per meter square, that is resulting from mass in kilograms and height in meters. So as we know that the body mass index of a particular person is either the underweight or the normal weight or overweight. In some cases it may be an obese. So as we already know that for us to create this program, we need to also create some variables that are going to hold our values. So for these variables, I'm going to create the weight as one of the variables, and also the height as one of the variables, and also the BMI itself. I need to also select the data type that I'm going to use. Because I'm using weight, height, so I need to use plot as my data type because it holds decimal values point. So without much waste of our time, let's create those variables. Plots, weight, height, and the BMI. So the program will ask persons to enter his weight in kilogram and also enter his height in meters, so that his body mass index is going to be measured by using a particular formula. So now let's write console out enter your weight in kilogram. So the system asks the person to enter his weight in kilogram. So I'm going to use a command cin, that is console input. This will allow a person to input his data, in this case which is weight. The system also will ask a person to enter his height in meter. And also using the cin command, so height. So let me define the formula for the body mass index, that is BMI is equals to weight of a person divided by the height, that is the square height of that person, so I'm going to use if else statement to evaluate my expressions. As we know that the body mass index can either be underweight if it is less than 18.5. So let's use if statement. If the BMI is less than 18.5, see out. are underweight. That means if a person enter his weight in kg and enter his height in meter, so the program or the system will calculate his body mass index. So in that case, if the body mass index of that person is measured as less than 18.5, so that person, the system will reply to that person that you are underweight, meaning that your BMI is less than 18.5. Else, if and as you know that if the BMI of a person is greater than 18.5 and less than or equals to 24.9, then that person is in normal weight or healthy weight. So let's write our expression. If BMI is greater than 18.5 and also the BMI is less than or equals to 24.9, then console out you are in normal or healthy weights. And in the case where the BMI of a person is greater than 25 and less than or equals to 29.9, then that person is in overweight. So let's write our expression. Else, if the BMI is greater than 25 and BMI is less than or equals to 29.9, then console out, that is, this message will be displayed on the screen to the person that you are overweight. You are overweight. What of if the BMI is greater than 30 and above? Else, console out obeys. You are in serious health problem because see out your BMI is BMI. So system as you can see, there is no issue found in our project or in our line of codes. So our program is ready to be executed by clicking on this local Windows debugger. So click on it, and yet the program runs successfully. It says enter your weight in kilogram, so 20. Enter your height in meter. Let's enter like 1.60, and the program replied to the person that obeyes, you are in serious health problem because your BMI is 46.875. As I told you in the beginning of this program that any person whose weight is greater than 30 or is equal to 30 and above, so his BMI is overweight, much overweight. Therefore, that person may find himself in serious health issue because of his BMI. So let's try a run again. What if I enter like 65 as my weight and 1.75 as my height? So the system replied that you are in normal health, or you are in normal or healthy weights. That is, your BMI is 21.22. This is because the BMI is greater than 18.5 and is less than or equals to 24.9. Since 21 is greater than 18.5 but it is less than 24.9, so that means that person is in normal or healthy weight because of his BMI. So this is the end of my program. Please, if you really find this video helpful, help me by clicking on the red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. You share the video, and I encourage you please to help me subscribe in order for you to receive other amazing videos like this one. Thank you till I see you in my next video. Bye.